In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add sticky header. A sticky header is a header that stays visible as customers move through your store. It helps keep your navigation, search, and key links easy to reach, which can improve the shopping experience. To begin, go to your online store area where your themes are managed. Find the theme you are currently using, then choose the option to edit the theme. This opens the theme editor where you can adjust sections and settings while previewing changes in real time. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left sidebar. This is where the page layout is organized into sections. Click on the header section. The header settings will appear in the settings panel, usually on the right side, and this is where the sticky behavior is controlled. Now locate the sticky header dropdown. This setting determines how the header behaves when someone scrolls your site. Open the dropdown and choose the option that best fits your store's style. If you select Always, the header will remain in place the entire time visitors scroll. This is great for constant access to navigation, but it can take up more space on the screen. If you select On Scroll Up, the header will hide as the visitor scrolls down and then reappear when they scroll back up. This option often feels cleaner and gives more room to view products and content. After you make your selection, switch to the mobile view in the theme editor. This is important because a sticky header can feel much larger on a small screen. Take a moment to confirm it does not cover too much of the page and that important content is still easy to see. If the header feels too tall on mobile, you may want to reconsider which sticky option you chose and preview the other setting to compare the experience. When you are happy with how it looks on both desktop and mobile, click Save. Saving ensures your sticky header setting is applied to your live theme. That covers everything you need to know.